Hi there, this is Shubhronil Sarkar. We are on the fourth tutorial video. Today we are gonna learn how to change a label or an icon with animation. Animations increases attractiveness of your UI. I am using Hot Reload Viewer for this video that I have made. I will show you it in another video. In the MD screen, we need a float layout in which the widgets will be contained. Now we don't use MD label directly. We have to make a customized class that will inherit two classes MD label and AK animation text behavior. The new widget has the name myMDLabel. Now in order to use the AK animation text behavior, we need to import this from KeyVMD extension library. #import AK animation text behavior space KeyVMD extensions dot akvmd dot uyx dot behaviors dot label animation. Then again we have to write AK animation text behavior. Now we can use it in our customized widget. myMDLabel is ready to implement. We will give the label an ID called label. At the starting of our UI, the account will be on. This will be the text of the label when you open the UI. Alignment of the text in the label container will be center. So we will set the HAligns value to center. Change its position with pause hint property. The center X will be 0.5 to keep it in the middle of our screen horizontally. And we will set the center Y 0.6. The position has been set for the label. Then increase the font size with font size property. The value will be 20 dp. Then we will set the theme text color to primary. Now we are done with the label, which has the ability to animate while changing. It's time to work on the icon. Just like the myMDLabel, we have to create another customized class named myMDIcon. Previously, we had imported AK animation text behavior. Now we will import AK animation icon behavior. These things remain same as the previous one. Then we need to create the customized class. The ID will be icon. The icon property will be account. You can see the icon has appeared on our screen. To keep the icon at the middle of its own container, we will set the H align center. Then we set the position. The icon is very small, so we need to increase its size. Now it's look good. So as we have successfully made the label and icon, now we have to make the button. Our button will be a empty rest button. The text on the button will be press. If we run the code now, then we will see the button. Then we will change the button's position. Now we will add the functionality to the button. To toggle between on and off states, we will write a logic for the label and the icon. The initial state of the account is on. What is happening here is when we press the button, then the label's text toggles between on and off states. Similarly, we can write the same logic for the icon. So everything has been done, and if we run the code and press the button, we will able to see the animation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.